gì sao với cho đến đây nên lúc bé
Yeah, my dad and my mom are like the hardest working people. They're retired, but they're not retired from working. They still work the hardest right now. My dad, he's like fixing a house. My mom does all the gardening, so they're never resting.
My dad was an auto mechanic for 28 years. In addition to working 40 hours a week at his regular job, he also fixed other people's cars at home. He is so kind and he barely charged for labor. He worked day in and day out. He is the hardest working person you'll ever meet.
I still remember the Yana, phải bơ, chỉ cho qualify. Law school chỉ nằm mò, to qualify. Phải bơ, to qualify ha. Tức bơ ta đã sợ, wow, chỉ bơ tao bơ nó để to qualify na. Tức là dùng someone who check cái này chỉ chỉ bao khó chỉ chỉ dùng chỉ khó chỉ dùng mua na. You know, just to flip it, and I think just one thing I learned from that is that, you know, to save money, we, you know, learn how to fix things ourselves.
My mom is extremely thoughtful and caring. Every day at 6 a.m., she would wake up and cook breakfast for all of us, even when she was sick and even when we had 20 friends over.
I remember that Angel and I wanted new shoes, and you took us to the store because our friends had new shoes. And we bought our shoes, and then at the counter you said, "你找黑子呢?" And that is when I knew that we didn't have a lot of money, but Mom was Mom, so she provided for us.
One of the greatest memories I have with my mom is, well, first growing up at grandma's house on Charles Street. You know, we would go to neighbor's house and, you know, they had an SNES with Street Fighter. And we didn't know these guys, so we never got to play. But remember, we watched them and we were like, wow. So for Christmas, we want this $150 game console. At the time, that was very expensive. You want a Bailey? Come Christmas, under the tree, in a present, was the console in the game, and we knew it. And then that's what it was. And that was one of the fondest memories I have.
Like how hard we have come. I remember times when we would go to the Salvation Army just to get Christmas presents, and so proud that my parents have been the stem cell in our lives.
Mom, Dad, you both love me and like two sons. Thank you for all the love and your support.
I'm so proud of my parents because they have persevered and made it all this way. You know, just shout at because I think you guys are still working too hard. So just try to come and relax and take time to enjoy one another too. And I'm glad because now we can spend more time with you guys.
Mom and Dad, I want to say thank you for all you've done for me as Val. Even though I'm just a Val, you both always treated me like I was your son.
When Mom and Dad still lived in La Crosse, we would go visit and sleep over, and every morning Mom had breakfast cooked and ready for us to eat. She made a lot so that the ones still sleeping can't just wake up and eat.
Chị tổng của lời gió chào mà nhà thiết tình cỡ những chị của tôi cái tổng bốn là có đi nữa cỡ mà cỡ rú bé mà toàn cho xương cỡ tu hù bé cỡ bé một cái đó nó là xương.
It's truly a blessing to still have you here present with us, healthy and still going strong. We would not miss this day for the world. We are so happy to celebrate this moment with you. We wish you both a long and prosperous life, and we all love you.
Ulumaya Paul and Guya the oldest sing too. As you guys know, Guya Steve Bichimotzi, when they grow up, or at least for me, I was under the impression that Nautiania Kitsi already. I'm not even their child, and I call them mom and dad, you know. So all my life, I always had to explain, well, technically they're not my parents, but they raised me. And so, thank you, mom and dad.
I can't thank you both for welcoming me into your family and loving me as your own daughter. I also want to thank you for loving Paul as well. Without your grace, your patience, and your love, life would have been extremely hard for him.
I've never had a father that came into my life and supported me through everything that I did. You were always there, and you are a father figure to me, and I would consider you my dad. And I thank you for helping me with school. I was able to pursue the thing that I love and get a college degree with it because of you.
Grandma was an interpreter at my elementary school. As a young girl, I wasn't, and I'm still not, fluent in Hmong. And so with that, I didn't really fit in with the Hmong kids at school. But when it was Grandparents' Day, Grandma told me she would have lunch with me, and I thought, yes! This would be the chance that I would seem cool to the Hmong kids, and maybe they would want to be my friends after that. When lunchtime came that day, I was so happy Grandma came and sat with me. But when a kid asked me if she really was my grandma, I said yes. And Grandma nodded. But then she said, "You are all my grandchildren." And the other kids hugged her. I was really sad after that. It wasn't until I got older and I realized that no other Hmong kids had their grandparents with them that day. So G-Man wanted to be there for those kids as well.
How real, how wide, how rich, how high is your heart? Now I cannot find the reasons
路老都是记着的，路高呢，被我们知道。
nó nói rằng xe và cái tàu tôi giải tiền chỉ có mong đợi cho mình nhỏ thì giờ vì mua mà chứ ba luôn này cho mình nhỏ rồi cái tôi năng nữa cái tiền cho thợ tiền chứ rồi qua lời cho
fully known and loved by you. I'm fully known and loved by you. It's so unusual, it's frightening. I'm fully known.
Loved by you. So, we love you, Mom and Dad. Congrats.